that one. Or just on edges.
Probably say just around edges there, there'll be a big frame and also
Right, we've run short on time on this one. I did try, I told him that if I do it at that sort of spec, we might get enough time to get that done in them 2 little bays, and he were happy with that, but it's that time, so we're going to come back another day and we're going to tidy areas up that he didn't rate want doing, but he's going to go for it now anyway, because he weren't bothered about these. He weren't bothered about such as stuff like that, because belts getting covered and stuff like that, so but now I think he's going to go for all log and might as well just have another day cleaning all this lot off, or doing some of it, so I don't know if I'm going to film that or not. It's this bit here and all that we didn't have time to do. And there's another part to it, another bit that sits on top, comes out to about here, so he's going to fetch that out into that. A lot of this is getting cut off, so he's basically told me not to bother with some on it, like that bit there. So that's getting seen, or it's getting used. A lot of this is getting cut off. Them handrails are getting cut off, apart from that one, that walkway one. So yeah, bits I've left, some on it's getting cut off anyway, and modified. I think I've just missed it. I hope I got it on camera. We just push it over, he weren't bothered. This guy don't mess about.